Hi, I'm Dana Terrell, LCSW, developer of IBE therapy and the Comprehensive Relationship Protocol. I also wrote this self-help book on the same topics, how to help your relationships. We all do our best, and yet it's challenging. So are there some relationships that are more complicated than you want? Triangling creates some of the messiest and most distressing relationships. Would you like to be able to find your calm center when others gossip, betray, or lose your trust? I offer 4 IBE intensive workshops to clear past or current stress related to different kinds of relationship problems. This particular one focuses on a problem called triangling. Basically, it means that when there is a problem between two people, one abruptly brings in a third or more people into the stress. This may make them feel a little better in the short run, that's why they do it, but it only multiplies problems in the long run. There is hope. The Drama of Triangles workshop will help you clear past relationship stress and trauma with EMDR therapy. This has been proven and admired by the World Health Organization. Due to all their research, this is one of the 2 methods they recommend for healing from the worst stress, PTSD. By doing this, you will get a calmer and more conscious brain. And I'll also share skills to overcome or prevent these kinds of problems. How valuable is that? The skills come from Bowen family systems theory for emotional maturity in relationships. Wise skills enable you to feel more confident going forward in life. You'll make better decisions. You'll choose better friends and partners. Therefore, you'll enjoy people more. We are going to face these relationship problems throughout life because many people make poor choices out of their unconscious anxiety. So it's good to be prepared for life. I wish everyone could take these workshops in their late teens. Imagine how it would help the transition into adulthood. It certainly has helped me. I'm so grateful for it. But you know what? It is never too late to learn emotional maturity and the benefits it can give you. Growing up is worth it. It is not terrifying, as some people think. So let's go into triangling. What are some of the messy forms it takes? Bowen family systems theory defines triangling as gossiping about real or perceived faults, or could be having affairs, whether emotional or actual, or it could be a parenting style that focuses more attention on a child in the family than on the spouse. The dose of anxious attention by parents shifts anxiety from parents to the child and becomes harmful to the child. The marriage weakens due to the lack of attention placed on the partners. All of these triangle styles can slowly impact people at first because it's often done subtly and sometimes secretly. But as it's repeated over time, the harm increases. Thus, in my comprehensive relationship protocol, I allow enough time for EMDR therapy to heal 6 memories related to triangling. A lot of my clients are surprised to find out they have that many. And they're amazed at how much they've been affected by old events. This clearing can reduce a lot of stress you have stored in your brain and your body. So after each clearing, we learn a skill of emotional maturity to help prevent or overcome triangles. The basic overarching skill is to develop direct one-to-one relationships. But how do we do that? We haven't been necessarily taught those skills. So there are a lot of sub-skills I share. And after a recent workshop, Heather Cook gave permission to share her response. She said, I have this new goal. I'm moving toward emotional maturity and I like it a lot. I found a path that's not that hard and not that far away. Well, that excites me a lot because I'm excited about emotional maturity. And I think if the world understood how much they can gain by practicing it, they would be just as excited as me and as Heather. So, to learn more and to find a schedule of future workshops, please visit ibetherapy.com and click on the workshop tab. Also, I have other videos you can check out on my YouTube channel, Dana Elkin Terrell. On my website, another informational aspect is on the relationship tab. You'll find 4 infographics about the workshops I offer at ibetherapy.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me at danaterrell.lcsw@gmail.com. Thank you so much for your interest. And I hope to see you at a workshop soon.